We love to come together, travel, shop, chat, and eat. We are grateful for the gift of life and love. On weekends, we find time and good reasons to connect and discuss anything under the sun. We spend our bonding time filled with love, so much fun, laughter, and good humor while engaging in a few intelligent conversations throughout the day. Hello, fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine at Manam's newest and biggest shop at the ground level, main wing of Lucky Chinatown Mall, Binondo Manila, for comfort Filipino paboritos. Manam's spacious and inviting ambiance is a cool, perfect place to dine and hang out with friends and family after a tour at the Chinatown Museum on the 4th floor Imperial wing of Lucky Chinatown. The Chinatown Museum is a heritage and community space that shares interesting highlights of Binondo's colorful history as one of the oldest Chinatown in the world. Manam Shop is also a convenient stopover for a satisfying meal for hungry shoppers after a shopping spree in the vibrant street markets and malls of Divisoria, the biggest flea market with the best bargain prices in Metro Manila. When seated, each diner is excited to browse the colorful menu book, which boasts and showcases all Filipino classics and twists in their all-day food, offering hearty dishes to indulgent desserts and drinks for breakfast, merienda, lunch, and dinner that are sure to please anyone's palate. For starters, you can never go wrong with ensaladang pritong talong at kamatis. Ensaladang pako with salted eggs, and Manam's crowd favorites of adobong baby squid, crispy pork binagongan, house crispy sisig, and inihaw na pusit with tofu and shiitake mushroom in thick peanut sauce of kare-kare. These classic mains were complemented with bowls of savory bagong and tinapa rice. The crispy pancit palabok was served tableside. A platter of crispy fried palabok noodles is mixed with hot golden palabok sauce and poured over the noodles. Also enjoyed the crispy fried butterfly flap-flap fish, nicely served with mouth-watering buro and mustasa. We also savored every mouthful of the rich, warm, comforting sinigang soups of salmon fish head in miso alongside beef short ribs in watermelon. The chunks of red watermelon added a sweet flavor to the classic beef sinigang, an excellent twist for a mild sinigang sourness. Classic and Twist are available at Lucky Chinatown Mall any day of the week for dine-in, takeaway, and delivery, served in small, medium, and large serving portions. So bond with your family and friends and loved ones at Manam, making it more meaningful and fun with delightfully Filipino comfort foods. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.